2018 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. Really beautiful trucks. I like them. You like them, Timmy? Yeah. I got regular converter here, stock converter here. Then it wires into a single. Then we took out the dreaded third cat and put a high flow in its place right there, as you guys can see. It makes a huge difference in sound when we do that. Then we put a Y pipe setup with mandrel pen tailpipes, 2 1/4 each side, and it's a 2.5 to 2 1/4 Y pipe. Mandrel bend tailpipes in 2 5-inch massive roll tips there and there. That's how you duel them out, boys and girls. Don't you guys agree? I love it. It looks awesome. And it's going to sound even more awesome once you guys hear it in a second. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. There's what we cut off. There's the muffler and the tailpipe that was on it original. These come with a resonator and a muffler and also the flap in front of the muffler. You always want to cut this flap off, because if you don't and you do a straight pipe on it, it resonates really bad and rattles. You're not going to like it. So always make sure any muffler shop cuts that off, so it gives it a really nice deep tone. There it is. Much better. Yeah, if you would have kept the regular cat, there's no that clap. Sound decibels. Again. Reach 110. That's sound decibels right there. It's a decibel meter. Go ahead. That's not bad at all, man. Yeah, you were with the numbers. This is for the channel. A lot of people want to know what it sounds with decibels. Oh, that looks clean. Look at that. That's from far away, guys. That looks really nice and clean. So deep, man. I like it. What you guys hear on the inside? Chevy Silverado. Haven't seen a red one in a while. Doesn't look too bad on these ones. I don't know about the new ones. I like this style more. I like that look. But they all look good. I don't mind. As long as they sound good and look good, that's all I care about. Hopefully he'll get on it for us. Traffic! Dreaded traffic. There she goes! Oh, nice!